Subterranean 40!
Hey, what's up? Hey, what do you know? I'm back with another video. Just like I promised. There's nothing much to this video, it's just an old video of mine, and I just wonder what this video would be like if it had sound and voices to it. Just thought it'd be cool. Anyway, here it is.
Nilus! The ferocious but friendly alligator. One day, a frog named Lily and a red chicken-like bird named Streak went for a stroll in the jungle. Then they saw a giant alligator. They didn't want to wake him up, so they walked away from him. As soon as Lily and Streak walked away, Nilus the alligator decided to go for a swim in the river. Lily and Streak went to the other side of the river and saw some interesting looking logs. They went closer to observe the logs. The first one was cracked. The second one had a huge hole in it. And the third log was covered with moss. But then they saw a fourth one. It was dark and flat with a burgundy-colored shirt laid on it. Lily and Streak noticed it moved. But as they moved closer, it started moving again and started growling. Lily thought the shirt belonged to someone. Streak told Lily that it might get too dangerous if she gets too close. But Lily decides to take the risk anyway. But then it starts growling louder and shaking like crazy. That was no log. It was Nilus. Lily quickly jumped off Nilus's back and Nilus got really angry. Nilus got so mad he let out a roar, and it scared Lily and Streak away. Nilus didn't mean to scare them. He felt very sad for scaring them. He wanted to see them again, so he tried to look for them. Lily and Streak hid behind a tree, all frightened of Nilus. But then they heard a loud thud. Then a groan. And then a scream. They were so scared of that scream they thought Nilus ate up an animal. But when they saw it behind the tree, Nilus's head was stuck in a log. Streak was afraid that he and Lily might get eaten after they help him. Lily wanted to help him anyway, as Streak decided to follow her. Nilus didn't know what to do with the log stuck on his head. Lily and Streak started helping Nilus get the log off his head. They tried pulling the log, but it was still stuck on his head. Nilus wanted to pull out the log with them. As Nilus' strength helped Lily and Streak, it finally came out. Nilus was very happy. Lily and Streak were still very frightened. Nilus didn't want them to run away again. Nilus thanked Lily and Streak for helping him getting the log out of his head. Nilus, Lily, and Streak all became friends and decided to play hide and seek. Without getting themselves stuck again. As well as doing a little stay and seek.
Ready or not?
The end.
Subterranean 40!